Apprenticeships offer a unique pathway to building a successful career. Unlike traditional education that often comes with heavy student loans, apprenticeships are paid training programs. You get to learn valuable skills in a real workplace while earning a steady salary from day one. These programs lead to skilled careers in various industries without accumulating any student debt. It's an opportunity to gain hands-on experience, earn professional credentials, and start your career journey debt-free. An apprenticeship is a structured training program that combines two key elements. First, you work in a real job where you gain practical, hands-on experience under the guidance of experienced professionals. Second, you attend classroom instruction to learn the theory and technical knowledge behind your trade. The best part is that you're paid a salary throughout this entire learning process. This dual approach ensures you develop both the practical skills and theoretical understanding needed to excel in your chosen field. Apprenticeships come with several major advantages. You earn a regular salary while learning, which means you can support yourself financially without taking on debt. Unlike college students who graduate with thousands of dollars in loans, apprentices finish their training completely debt-free. You gain valuable hands-on experience working alongside professionals in real-world settings. And upon completion, you earn nationally recognized credentials and certifications that employers value highly. These benefits make apprenticeships an attractive alternative to traditional four-year college programs. Apprenticeships are available across many different industries and career paths. Some of the most popular fields include electrician, where you learn to install and maintain electrical systems. Plumbing apprenticeships teach you to work with water supply and drainage systems. Carpentry programs focus on construction and woodworking skills. Information technology technician apprenticeships prepare you for careers in computer systems and networks. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technicians, known as HVAC, learn climate control systems. Healthcare apprenticeships are also growing, offering paths into medical professions. These are just a few examples of the many opportunities available. The apprenticeship process follows four main steps. First, you research and apply to registered apprenticeship programs in your area of interest. Second, once accepted, you get hired by an employer as an official apprentice with a formal employment contract. Third, you begin working on the job while simultaneously attending classes, typically spending most of your time at work and some hours each week in classroom training. Finally, after completing all required hours and coursework, you finish the program and earn your certification or journeyman status, qualifying you as a fully trained professional in your field. Apprenticeship programs vary in length depending on the complexity of the trade or profession. Most programs last between 1 and 6 years. More technical fields may require longer training periods, while simpler trades might be completed more quickly. As for earnings, apprentices typically start at an hourly wage between $15 and $25 per hour. As you progress through the program and gain more skills, your pay increases regularly. Many apprentices see their wages rise significantly each year as they advance toward completion. To qualify for most apprenticeship programs, you need to meet several basic requirements. You must be at least 16 to 18 years old, though the exact age varies by program and state regulations. You'll need a high school diploma or general educational development certificate, known as a GED. Programs typically require you to pass employer or program-specific assessments, which might include aptitude tests, interviews, or physical examinations. Some fields have additional prerequisites, such as specific coursework, drug testing, or background checks. Check individual program requirements as they can differ significantly. There are several excellent resources for finding apprenticeship opportunities. The federal government maintains a comprehensive database at apprenticeshipusa.gov, where you can search for registered programs nationwide. Trade unions are another great resource, as many labor unions operate their own apprenticeship programs and can connect you directly with employers. Community colleges often partner with local businesses to offer apprenticeship programs. Finally, you can approach large employers directly. as many major companies run their own in-house apprenticeship programs and actively recruit new apprentices. Apprenticeship graduates enjoy excellent career prospects. Studies show that 94% of apprentices who complete their programs find employment in their field. The average starting salary for apprenticeship graduates is around $70,000 annually, which is competitive with many four-year college degree holders. Perhaps most importantly, skilled trades offer strong career advancement opportunities. Many apprentices eventually become supervisors, business owners, or specialized experts in their fields, with earning potential that continues to grow throughout their careers. Apprenticeships represent a powerful alternative to traditional education. They offer a completely debt-free path to skilled careers, allowing you to earn money from day one instead of accumulating loans. With immediate earnings, hands-on training, and strong job prospects after completion, apprenticeships provide a practical and financially smart way to build your future. If this career path interests you, start researching programs in your local area today. Explore different trades, talk to professionals in fields that interest you, and take the first step toward a rewarding career without the burden of student debt.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.